Here in my cozy corner of LA, I am so lucky to have lemon trees. And I'm always looking for ways to put these lemons to good use. Let's get baking. Today we're taking a classic dessert and giving it a twist. Vegan and gluten-free lemon bars. They're bright, zesty, and easy to make. First up, we're going to make the crust. In a large bowl, we'll combine half a cup of melted butter with 1/4 cup pure cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use any kind of plant-based butter, but I prefer Earth Balance butter sticks. We'll give it a quick stir and add 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk powder. Psyllium husk powder is great for this recipe because it's going to help bind our gluten-free flours. Next, we'll mix in the flour. I'm using 3/4 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour and 1/4 cup of brown rice flour. Quick note, to make this a more simple recipe, you could just use 1 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour. I'm adding the brown rice flour because I think it makes it a little crispier and adds a nice nutty flavor. Lastly, we'll add a pinch of sea salt. Now we just mix that until the dough forms. It should be very soft and pliable, which is perfect to form into the pan. I've lined my pan in such a way that I've left some extra parchment paper on the side so that when it's all set up, I can just pick it right up. We want to make sure to get it as even as possible and leave a little crust around the edges to hold in the filling. Now for a flakier crust, we can chill the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge. But if you're eager, you can pop it right into the oven. We're going to bake it at 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. While that's baking, we'll make the lemon filling. In a saucepan, we'll add 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, the zest of 1 lemon, and half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add just a sprinkle of turmeric for color. Then add in 1 1/3 cup of plant milk and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk over medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. It should thicken and become a gorgeous yellow. Once it's a gooey, thick consistency, we'll remove it from the heat. After our baked crust is cooled a bit, we're going to pour the lemon filling on top. Using a rubber spatula or spoon, we'll spread it out evenly. Then it's into the fridge to cool for up to 2 hours. Once the filling is set, we'll remove it from the baking dish and dust with some powdered sugar. Finally, we'll cut these into squares. Cut them any size you desire. All right, I am so excited to give these a taste. Let's take one here. I'll take this corner one. Wow, look at that. It's a perfect thickness there. It's nice and crunchy on the bottom. And our lemon filling's all set. Perfect amount of lemon, perfectly sweet, crunchy, just amazing. So that's it. So easy to make this citrusy, sweet, perfect dessert that anyone can enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, see ya.